Welcome to Pancur Aji. Pancur Aji waterfall is one of the waterfall attractions in the hilly area. Pancur Aji area is located in Kapuas District, Sanggau Regency, West Kalimantan. There are also canteen and parking lot for car and motorbike. This waterfall is located on the outskirts of the Bay of Kapuas River that is actually located in the lower reaches of Sanggau City. Pancur Aji waterfall offers a view of the waterfall that is still natural and beautiful.
This waterfall area has a height of about 4 to 5 meters, but the flow of water in the waterfall is very fast, so you will feel a different sensation when you are around the waterfall location. The cold mountain water and the splashing sound of the waterfall and the stick sound of water make you feel more and more peaceful atmosphere when you are this waterfall. At the location of this tourist attraction, there are already several supporting facilities, such as bathroom. There is also gazebo here to sit and rest. The origin word Pancur Aji itself comes from the Sanggau royal court function as watchtower. The protection from attack by enemies at that time called Pancur Aji.
Until now, this tourist attraction is famous for Pancur Aji tourist attraction, which is called Toliang M.Li. Don't forget to visit and preserve of natural attraction. And thank you.